Get the most out of your stowaway pack by using the incredibly handy interior stowaway pocket. Step 1. Locate the interior stowaway pocket. The pocket is located on the back inside panel of the pack. Step 2. Turn the stowaway pocket inside out. Pull the pocket inside out to reveal the L.L.Bean logo and the pack name. Step 3. Stuff the pack into the pocket. Turn the pack over and start folding. Then simply stuff it into the pocket. Be sure to push the material all the way to the bottom to ensure you'll have enough room. Step 4. Align the pocket zipper. Fold the zipper flap from the back of the pocket over to the front. It should now look like this. Step 5. Close the zipper. Now just zip it up and you're ready to go. Pack it in your luggage, or your camping kit, or your backpacking pack, wherever you want. Tell us how you use your stowaway pack in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
For more outdoor tips and inspiration, visit Explore L.L.Bean at llbean.com/explore.